Imagine diving into a vibrant underwater world, filled with what looks like colorful plants and majestic rock formations. These amazing structures often appear fixed in place, yet they are teeming with life and play a crucial role in our oceans. What if I told you that these seemingly plant-like structures are actually bustling animal colonies, working together to build incredible underwater cities? Coral is indeed an animal. Specifically, corals are invertebrate animals belonging to the phylum Cnidaria, which also includes jellyfish and sea anemones. Each individual coral is called a polyp, a tiny, soft-bodied creature with a mouth surrounded by stinging tentacles. These polyps live in colonies, and it is the collective effort of millions of these tiny animals that forms the large, diverse structures we know as coral reefs. The why behind coral's animal classification lies in its fundamental biological processes. Unlike plants, corals do not photosynthesize directly. Instead, they capture food particles from the water using their tentacles, and many corals also have a special symbiotic relationship with microscopic algae called zooxanthellae. These algae live within the coral polyps and perform photosynthesis, providing the coral with up to 90% of its energy, a critical partnership that allows reefs to thrive in nutrient-poor tropical waters. Understanding that coral is an animal colony allows us to better appreciate its delicate nature and the care it requires. You can contribute to coral health by making informed choices, such as using reef-safe sunscreen that avoids harmful chemicals like oxybenzone and octinoxate. When exploring marine environments, always practice responsible tourism by never touching or standing on corals, as this can damage the polyps and their intricate structures. Additionally, reducing your carbon footprint helps mitigate ocean warming, a major threat to coral survival. A fascinating insider detail is how corals build their homes. They secrete calcium carbonate, a hard, limestone-like material, to form protective external skeletons. Over thousands of years, these tiny skeletal structures accumulate, creating the complex three-dimensional architecture of coral reefs. This process is so significant that coral reefs are sometimes called the rainforests of the sea, not just for their biodiversity but also for their profound impact on marine ecosystems. Ultimately, recognizing coral as a living, breathing animal colony underscores its immense vulnerability and importance. Each polyp contributes to a thriving ecosystem that supports a quarter of all marine life, provides coastal protection, and even contributes to new medicines. By understanding their true nature and the symbiotic relationships that sustain them, we can all become better stewards of these essential underwater wonders, ensuring their survival for generations to come.